In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter 1099 Misc from CA FTB into TurboTax. If you received a 1099 MySC from the California Franchise Tax Board and you need to add it to your TurboTax return, this process is very straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact navigation path so you can find the correct section quickly and avoid getting lost in the menus. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your TurboTax account and you're on your tax return home screen. From there, move your cursor to the top navigation area and hover over Income. This opens the income-related menu options and is the starting point for getting to the section where miscellaneous forms are entered. If you don't immediately see a drop-down, just pause your cursor there for a moment. Once the menu appears, click on Wages and Income Summary. This takes you to the main income summary page, where TurboTax organizes different types of earnings and tax forms into categories. This page is helpful because it groups common and less common income separately, which makes it easier to find forms like the 1099 Misc. After you are on the income summary page, look for the section labeled Other Common Income and click into it. This is the category where TurboTax places several income types that don't fall under standard wages or investment sections. If you're scanning the page and don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll carefully because the placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or version of the interface. Inside Other Common Income, find Form 1999 MISC. When you locate it, click Start. That will open the interview for entering your 1099 MISC details. From there, TurboTax will begin asking follow-up questions based on the form you received, and you can continue by entering the information shown on your document exactly as it appears. As a general tip, it's a good idea to have your 1099 SC in front of you before you begin, so you can move through the questions without stopping. Also, make sure you select the correct form type, since TurboTax may list several similar income documents in nearby sections. That's all you need to do to get to the correct entry screen for a California FTB 1099 MySC in TurboTax. If you follow this path carefully, you'll be in the right place and ready to continue entering your form accurately.